Hello, welcome back. This time I'm with a very interesting 10 words which can replace love. It means instead of love, you can use all these words. The idea is not to give exact word instead of love. The idea is if you are reading, if you're listening, if you are watching any movie, and if you find these words, what I'm gonna tell you now, so you can easily relate it to love. So they are talking about some kind of love. All right, so let's go for it. On the left hand side, what you see are the words which are verbs. So if I say I adore doing something, it means I love doing something. If you appreciate something, it means you love that thing. If I say I fancy you, it means I love you. I cherish, it also means it's a love, but it is a love which is not new, which is for long time, which is due for long. All right, so these are the verbs. So when you replace love as a verb, as a word of act, I love you. All right, so you can use these 4 words. There are many more. I'm just giving you the most common which is used nowadays and in writings and in communication. Now on the right hand side, you see these words are nouns. So just in place of love, you can use all these words, or it has a very nearby meaning to love. So if you have love for somebody, it means you have adoration for somebody, you have affection for somebody, you have passion. So please also be very careful about the pronunciation. Please hear me carefully. So how I pronounce all these words. You can say you have soft spot for somebody. It means you have love for somebody. You can use tenderness. You can use fondness. Fondness you can see in many writings, in many books. It is very much used in academic writings. You can also use warmth, and a negative word, weakness, also reflects love. Weakness for something means love for something. You can't stop watching something. It means you have weakness about something. Maybe a girl, maybe a boy, maybe a car, okay, or maybe an activity. All right, so these are few words. I hope you understood all these words, and if you have any confusion, please write back in the comments. And the best way is to keep watching a couple of times. Once you watch, to remember all these words, you really need to watch it again and again. Or if you don't want to watch it again and again, make a note of it, write it down in your notebook. And then you need to have a correct pronunciation of these words. And once you're done with that, these words are yours. And also, when you will watch any foreign movies, any Hollywood movies, or even these days in Bollywood movies or in Indian movies, you will find people use all these words. So in reading, in watching, you can see the use of all these words. So these are the words used in place of love. Thank you for watching.